Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Would you like to have a highly engaged classroom or school? 3 components that I think are critical to a highly engaged classroom. Number 1 is students have to feel supported. Students have to feel supported. And I think beyond the word supportive, they have to feel safe. They have to feel safe. They have to know that I can, as my mom used to say, risk it for the biscuit. I have to feel like it's okay as a student that I say something and that I not be attacked for it being dumb. And that includes from the other students in my classroom and most importantly you. Because your feedback means everything, even to that kid that's sitting over there thinking, I don't care what you think. Oh yes, they do. Oh yes, they do. So they have to feel supported/safe. Number 2, they have to be actively engaged. We've done several videos on engagement, so I would encourage you to go watch some of them if you're looking for some engagement strategies. But they have to be engaged. If they're sitting in the back of your room sleeping, I promise you, you don't have an actively engaged classroom. Let me pop you out, even if they're the most annoying child and you're saying to yourself, Cathy, it's just better for my life if they sleep. Right, but it's not better for theirs. And you're not going to have a highly engaged classroom, period. And I know some of you watching this video now are saying, oh, but Cathy, you don't understand. If that son isn't, I want to remind you that I was in a brick and mortar building for 30 years. So that's just not true. That's just not true. It's simply not true to say that certain kids, because they're bothersome to you, you don't have to engage, period. And then the third component, this is the most critical. Students have to feel academic success. Would you keep doing something that you constantly flunked? Seriously, would you? Would you keep going on and on and on and repeating the exact same behavior to get the exact same poor results? No one would. And I know some of you watching this video are like, well, I can't control if they pass. Well, then who can? If students aren't finding academic success, it is your job to differentiate the instruction in a way that they can begin to find it, even if it's a small little win. I don't care if it's a small little win, you got to find them. And this isn't that hug 'em up theory of everybody gets a trophy. Good job, I'm going to give you an A when you deserve an F. I didn't say that. What I said is they have to feel like that they're starting to get it, even at their level. Those are the 3 components. 3 components that will truly define an academically, actively engaged classroom. Give them a try and let me know how it works. I can't wait to hear. Thanks for watching, everybody.